Good afternoon, dear colleagues. My name is Olena Karelina, and I am from Ternopil Ivan Puluy National Technical University. I would like to present you our investigation on the topic, the development of automated system for monitoring the information leakage into the darknet. Digital assets play an important or even crucial role in today's business. Hackers illegally access the company's files and demand a huge ransom for their unlocking and non-disclosure. Corporate information leakage can also be caused by insiders, employees of the company. The reasons are different, but the result is the same: losses for the company. Therefore, the task of developing an automated tool for network monitoring, which would detect corporate information leakage, is of great importance. On this slide, we can see modules of data leakage monitoring system. Search module downloads files from the darknet. Text mining module extracts the text from darknet documents. And we have customers document collection that include sensitive information of company. And we can compare these documents and documents from the darknet. But in this case, we have one problem. The sensitive information of the corporation available in the plain text. So we use cryptographic module to cipher these documents, and we compare not the documents but mathematical models of these documents. And scoring module give us information about similarity of the files. We use vector space module to detect data leakage. In vector space model, documents are represented by the vector in n-dimensional vector space, where n is the number of terms of the keywords of index. In data leakage detection system, the VSM is proposed to be used as a basis for cryptographic and text analysis module. As a result, the scoring module can match the mathematical representation of web documents and user confidential documents based on vector space. We used formulas, similarity of closest and Jacquard similarity. On this slide, we can see the schema of developed software. Our data collection module is continuously running for new data collecting. Then files saves on physical storage. Files on archiving and comparize with customers' data. This work for file analyzer module. If the results of the analysis is positive, then file moves to directory for saving. If the result is negative, that means that we haven't the leakage into the darknet, files removes. First module, downloading files from darknet, and to access the information on the darknet page, we use Tor software. The Deep Web Parser class is created to work with information on sites in the darknet network. This is the parent class and defines only the interface, the implementation of which is in the children's class, for example, continuous parser, for parsing the block ransomware group Conti. There are two main methods of information parsing from the darknet web page. Get allows to get information about the article, and files allows to get information about files in the article. This module operates in multi-threading mode, which makes it possible to receive information about new publications and download multiple files at once. Next is File Analyzer module. The implementation of the module starts with the definition of data types that will be analyzed. Due to the fact that the task is to find keywords in corporate documents, it is necessary to be able to read data from such format as we can see on the slide. In addition, support for popular data formats is implemented. In order to standardize the work, Analyzer class, which contains implemented data, access interfaces and algorithm for searching for keywords in the text, titles, and metadata files is created. Textract library is used while retrieving from plain text formats and well as receiving metadata from files. Functional testing is carried out in the following areas: regression testing, testing of the developed module after changes in it; modular testing, testing of separate modules after their development; integration testing, testing the correct modules interaction for information processing correctness. In the process of the testing the module for collecting and storing information by logging the successful scanning, information storage to Elasticsearch database, and successful transfer of information about publication to the download module are confirmed. The results are shown in figure. The development system of automatic monitoring of corporate information leakage make it possible to reveal the corporate information leakage as soon as possible to minimize its consequences. The proposed development will be expanded in order to cover new sources of information, like hackers' forums, shadow Telegram channels, and so on. For some companies, like design bureau, graphic information is of primary importance. In further research, it is necessary to investigate mathematical methods of similarity detection for graphics, audio, and video files.